Are you working tirelessly but still feel like financial success is slipping through your fingers? What if the problem isn't just about how hard you work, but something much deeper? In the next 10 minutes, we'll uncover the hidden barriers to financial success and, more importantly, how you can break free. Stick around because this might just change your life. Financial success isn't a mystery. It's not reserved for the lucky few. But why do so many of us struggle to achieve it? The truth is, it comes down to a few critical mistakes that most people don't even realize they're making. In this video, we'll explore the common reasons why people fail financially, the impact it has on their lives, and practical steps you can take to overcome these challenges. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's start with understanding the root causes. Why is it that despite your hard work, you're not seeing the financial success you deserve? Lack of financial literacy. The first and most significant barrier is the lack of financial literacy. Financial literacy isn't taught in most schools, leaving many to learn through trial and error. Unfortunately, this often leads to costly mistakes. Imagine trying to navigate a city without a map, you'd get lost. The same goes for managing money. Without a solid understanding of personal finance, it's easy to make decisions that keep you stuck in a cycle of debt and frustration. For instance, did you know that the average person doesn't understand the impact of compound interest? It's not just about saving money, it's about making your money work for you. But if you don't understand how to do that, you're leaving potential wealth on the table. Poor budgeting habits. Next, let's talk about budgeting, or the lack thereof. A budget isn't just a restriction, it's a tool for freedom. Without a budget, your money is like water slipping through your fingers. Most people think they can keep track of their spending in their heads, but the truth is, without a plan, it's easy to overspend on things that don't matter while neglecting savings and investments. Consider this: the average person spends thousands each year on small, unplanned purchases, those daily coffee runs or impulsive online shopping sprees. Without a budget, these seemingly small expenses can add up, eating away at your financial future. Debt mismanagement. Debt is another major roadblock. Not all debt is bad. Mortgages or student loans can be investments in your future. But high-interest debt, like credit card balances, can quickly spiral out of control. Many people make the mistake of only paying the minimum amount due, not realizing that interest is quietly accumulating, making it harder to pay off the principal. Here's a quick scenario: if you have a credit card balance of Indian rupee 1,000,000 with an 18% interest rate and only make minimum payments, it could take you over 20 years to pay off that debt, and you'll end up paying more in interest than the original amount you borrowed. Lack of clear financial goals. Without clear financial goals, it's like setting sail without a destination. You'll drift through life, making money but not making progress. Setting clear, actionable goals gives you a roadmap to follow and helps you measure your progress. For example, instead of just saying, "I want to save more money," set a specific goal: "I will save Indian rupee 50,000 by the end of the year." This gives you something concrete to work towards, and you can break it down into smaller, manageable steps. Fear of investing. Lastly, there's the fear of investing. Many people are so afraid of losing money that they avoid investing altogether. But here's the thing: by not investing, you're actually losing money, due to inflation. Investing can seem intimidating, but with the right knowledge and strategy, it's one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. Think about this: if you had invested Indian rupee 1,000,000 in the stock market 10 years ago, today that could have grown significantly, depending on the market's performance. But if you kept that money in a savings account, inflation would have eroded its value over time. Now, let's talk about the ripple effects of these financial struggles. When you're stuck in a cycle of poor financial decisions, the consequences can impact every aspect of your life. Stress and anxiety. Financial stress is a silent killer. Constant worry about money can lead to anxiety, sleepless nights, and even health problems. This stress doesn't just affect you, it impacts your relationships, your job performance, and your overall quality of life. Imagine constantly worrying about how you're going to pay the bills, while trying to maintain your job, relationships, and mental health. It's exhausting, and it's not sustainable. Strained relationships. Money issues are a leading cause of tension in relationships. Whether it's with a spouse, family, or friends, financial problems can create stress, arguments, and even lead to breakups or estrangement. You might be familiar with the phrase, "Money can't buy happiness," but financial instability can certainly bring a lot of unhappiness into your life. Arguments over spending, debt, and financial priorities can drive a wedge between even the closest relationships. Missed opportunities. When you're struggling financially, you miss out on opportunities that could have changed your life. Whether it's a chance to invest, start a business, or even just take a much-needed vacation, financial instability keeps you stuck in survival mode. Think about the times you've had to say no to something because you couldn't afford it. Those missed opportunities add up, and they can prevent you from growing and achieving your full potential. But it doesn't have to be this way. Here's how you can overcome these financial struggles and start building the life you want. Invest in financial education. Knowledge is your greatest asset. Start by investing in your financial education. There are countless resources available: books, courses, podcasts. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. If you're new to personal finance, start with the basics. Learn about budgeting, saving, and the fundamentals of investing. As you build your knowledge, you'll gain confidence in managing your money and making decisions that align with your goals. Create and stick to a budget. A budget is your financial roadmap. It helps you see where your money is going and ensures you're spending in alignment with your goals. Start by tracking your expenses, then categorize them to see where you can cut back and how much you can allocate towards savings and investments. Consider using the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This simple framework helps ensure you're living within your means while still progressing toward your financial goals. Manage and reduce debt. Debt management is crucial to your financial success. Start by tackling high-interest debt first. This is often credit card debt or personal loans. Consider using strategies like the debt snowball method, where you pay off smaller debts first to build momentum, or the debt avalanche method, where you focus on paying off the highest interest rate debts first. Let's say you have 3 debts: Indian rupee 20,000 at 18% interest, Indian rupee 50,000 at 12%, and Indian rupee 1,000 at 6%. Using the avalanche method, you'd focus on the Indian rupee 20,000 debt first, as it has the highest interest rate, saving you the most money in the long run. Set clear financial goals. Goal setting is the key to financial clarity. Start by identifying what you want to achieve, whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or retiring early. Break these goals down into smaller, actionable steps, and set deadlines for achieving them. For instance, if your goal is to save Indian rupee 10 lakhs for a down payment on a house in 5 years, calculate how much you need to save each month. Setting a monthly savings target makes the goal feel more achievable and helps you stay on track. Start investing. Investing is how you make your money work for you. Start small if you need to, but start now. Whether it's through the stock market, mutual funds, real estate, or even your own business, investing is essential for building wealth over time. The key is to diversify your investments and think long-term. Imagine starting with just Indian rupee 5,000 a month in a diversified mutual fund. Over the years, thanks to the power of compounding, this small monthly investment can grow significantly, helping you reach your financial goals faster. Financial success isn't about luck, it's about making informed, consistent choices. By educating yourself, budgeting wisely, managing debt, setting clear goals, and investing, you can take control of your financial future. Remember, it's never too late to start. The path to financial freedom begins with the first step you take today. So, what's stopping you from achieving financial success? Comment below with the first step you're going to take, and let's inspire each other. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on building your wealth. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to make sure you don't miss any of our future videos. Your journey to financial success starts now. Check out my videos to dive deeper into each of the strategies we discussed today. Keep learning, keep growing, and here's to your financial success.